الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Umar ibn Khattab saw a man and a woman talking. It was at night, talking in the public, in the street in Medina. He came with a stick and he hit the man. So the man said, well, what did I do wrong? Umar ibn Khattab said, why are you talking with this woman in the street? The man said, this is my wife. Umar ibn Khattab said, you shouldn't be talking to her like that when there's nobody around, because this is going to make people slander you. She's in hijab, people cannot see her, they don't know who she is. So people are going to slander you. Yes, she is your wife, and you have absolutely the right to talk to her wherever you want. However, it's going to cause people to slander you. A few things that could be, let me continue and then we'll talk about the lessons. So the man said, oh Amir al-Mu'mineen, we just arrived to Medina, these were foreigners, and we were discussing where to stay. Umar ibn Khattab gave him the stick. I said, hit me back. The man said, no, I won't. He said, hit me back 3 times, and the man said, no, I forgive you. Number one, we shouldn't put ourselves in positions that would give people an excuse to talk about us. It is absolutely fine for him to do that. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was, once it was at night, and he was speaking to Safiya, his wife, and there was nobody around. So 2 Sahaba were passing by, Rasulullah stopped them, and he said, come here. This is my wife Safiya. They said, oh Messenger of Allah, we wouldn't have any doubts in you. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I don't want shaitan to come to you. So, shaitan plays games. A person could be absolutely innocent, but because you see them in a certain posture, place, condition, you become suspicious. Shaitan comes to you and builds up a scenario. And then you go and tell it to somebody, and they add some salt and pepper to it. And then it goes to the next person, and they load it with spices. That's a game of shaitan. It is wrong for the people to slander you. It is wrong. Umar ibn Khattab was not saying that the people have a right in making ghibah, but Umar was saying that these are people. People are people, and they're going to commit these sins. Don't put yourself in that situation. The second thing, look at the innocence and purity of Medina. Allah, what if Umar ibn Khattab would see, for example, the London Underground, and how people behave there? It is as if it's their private bedroom. A'udhu billah. Umar ibn Khattab saw a man talking to a woman in the street, and he didn't like that. We have become desensitized. We see the haram, it doesn't affect us anymore. Umar didn't like what he saw. We see all of this haram around us. Billboards, TV, newspapers. You see it on the streets, and it's going to get worse. Rasulullah says the time will come when a man and a woman would commit zina on the street, and the best of people would be the one to tell them, can you please move aside? Not telling them to stop the haram, but just move aside. Those are times of fitan. But it's not that much different in some Western countries. And subhanAllah, it's leaving a bad effect on us. We ask Allah Azza wa Jal to pure our hearts from this fahisha and to keep us away from fitna. صلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا.